Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another unboxing video and it's a limited edition box by Debenhams and this is what it looks like. So it tells you all the products that are inside and you just pull it open like that, which I'll open up and show you in a little while. But yeah, so I'm not sure if Debenhams have released limited edition boxes in the past. If they have, please let me know. I'd love to know. So this was released a couple of days ago. I think it coincided with the launch of their Debenhams Beauty Club card freebie, which you get a Chanel set of lipsticks and a Chanel No. 5 perfume. So if you're interested to know how you can get this for yourself, I will link my video. I posted that up yesterday. So I'll link that down below, so you're welcome to take a look there. So this box, it costs £35, but if you were to buy anything beauty related and fragrance on their website or in store, you can get this box for £17.50. So because it was Mother's Day yesterday, my husband asked me what I'd like for Mother's Day as a little bit of a treat, and I said I'd love to have this box. So he did, he bought it for me. So he went online and he chose the cheapest beauty product he could find, which is this £3, was £6 makeup bag. It's really cute, it's waterproof and everything, so I will use it. It's really nice. So he paid £3 for this, which meant he was able to get this then for £17.50. My honest opinion right at the start is that it's not worth £35, but I think it's worth £17.50, so I am glad I didn't go out there and, well, who would, to be honest? Who would? Who would just pay £35 for a box when you could buy something for way less than £17 beauty related and have this for half price? I don't know. Maybe there's some of you out there that would just buy the box on its own, but no, if I see a bargain, I have to go for it, or I have to tell my husband about it anyway. So let's open it up and show you what's inside. So it's a gorgeous box, really, can't open it. It is a gorgeous box. Oh, and it says here, a limited edition collectible box of 7 fabulous beauty products to discover, plus 2 exclusive treats. So just pull this off. So this is what the box looks like. It is lovely, really nice, really lovely. And it's a little drawer. So those are all the products inside there. So I've just put them down in front of me and I'll pick an item up, show you as we go along. But inside we've got 2 little leaflets. One of them is related to one of the products, the MURAD, and this is the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum, and it's just telling you a little bit about it and the good results that you can get with your skin if you use it. So that's that. Then there's a little promo card telling you all about Clinique's Clinique ID range. It just tells you all about it there and on the back as well. And then we've got a little card from Clarins and it says, we hope you enjoy your hand and nail treatment cream, which is in the box. As an additional gift, Clarins would like to invite you for a complimentary makeup or skincare consultation to discover the secret to great skin. It can be redeemable up until the 31st of May this year. So there's that. So the first item is a Smashbox item, and this is Smashbox, the original photo finish smooth and blur primer, and this is a 12ml. So that's the outer packaging there. Now I've tried this and I love it. It is such a great primer. It is really good. So that's what that looks like there as well. Hopefully you can see the ring light reflects badly in anything like metallic. So what's it say on the back? It says, our original primer smooths skin, blurs flaws and helps makeup last hours and hours. Lightweight and oil-free, contains vitamin A and E and more for all skin types. Smooth over clean, moisturised skin. So that's our first item, and it's because of this and another item, which I'll show you now, is the reason I decided to go for it. And it's the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's my favourite ever mascara. And that's what that looks like there. Now when I pulled this out, I knew it'd be a mini size, but I was thinking, that looks mini. That looks smaller than my own mascara. So you can tell how much I love this mascara now. So I've got the large size, which is about £21. Then I've got the mini, which costs £10. And I generally opt for this one because mascaras only have like a shelf life of around 6 months. After a certain amount of time, it starts going dry and so I don't go for the larger ones. I tend to go for these and get a new one every 6 months or so. So yeah, so a big difference in size there. I haven't compared them yet. I've had a look at it and I was thinking it does look smaller, but I haven't compared it to these. This is the one that's inside the box, and as you can see, it's exactly the same amount of mascara. It's just the actual wand is taller. So let's have a look here. Okay. Yeah, it's exactly the same. No different whatsoever. It's just that the lid is longer. so I got a brand new one, and this, you can buy them for £10 in Debenhams. You can buy it on ASOS, you can buy them all over the place really. But no, I'm really, really happy with that. It's one of the best mascaras. It can be a little bit messy, so you've got to be careful if it gets up, because the wand, as you saw, is quite large, but it just elongates your lashes. I've got really small, straight, thin, pale-ish lashes, and mascaras are a nightmare for me. To get ones that I really, really like, so I want them to be quite thick and full and dramatic, but without being super, super clumpy. And yeah, this one does it for me, but you can make a little bit of a mess, so I just wait until it's dry, and then I get like a brush or spoolie and scrape it off then, and it's fine. So no, so that's the second item, and I'm really happy. Next, we've got a AVEDA, a volumizing tonic, and this is Create Weightless Volume and Shine, and this is a 40ml spray. That's what it looks like there. And the information on the website says that this tonic creates weightless volume and shine for fine to medium hair. So that sounds perfect for me. And yeah, so there's not much information except for spray onto damp hair for maximum volume, apply at roots. So that's the third item. Then we got the Clarins product, and this is a 30ml, and this is a hand and nail treatment cream. Softens hands and strengthens nails. So that's what that's there. Let's see what it's like. I haven't tried it yet. I've just had a quick sneak peek at all the items. I just couldn't help myself. And then I decided to have a shower, put my makeup on, do my hair, and I thought, all right, I'll do the video now. So let's see what this cream is like. Oh, it feels gorgeous. Oh, it smells nice. It smells all like spa smell. It's more like an aromatherapy type spa smell. So this promotes soft, supple hands, long-lasting comfort, and also strengthens nails. So there you go. So that's our fourth item. Next, we got the MURAD product, which we had that little leaflet. And this is the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum, and this is in 10ml. And it says this luxurious night cream powered by breakthrough retinol triactive technology delivers transformative results to visibly minimize lines and wrinkles and smooth skin texture. So that's that item. Then we've got a Clinique product, and this is Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly for all skin types. And I've had this before, I think in an ASOS box, and it's really lovely. It feels really nice on the skin as well. So this is in a 15ml. And it says an unbelievably lightweight water jelly that delivers 24-hour hydration, repair plus pollution protection. So that's that one there. And lastly, we've got a Kat Von D, a Studded Kiss lipstick. And this is a little mini. Does it say any information? No, it's in the shade Love Struck. That's what that looks like there. I've had one of these before. I had a red one. I don't know the name of it, but I had it in the Debenhams Beauty Club card freebie, last year sometime. And it's a really lovely lipstick, but it's a shame. Kat Von D, there's so much controversy surrounding her at the moment. But yeah, cool packaging, really cool packaging. It's like a rose shade. Let's try it on my hand. No, I'm not going to try it on my hand because I'm going to give that away. I have got a lot of these shades at the moment. I've had a few Bare Minerals as well, and they all seem to be in this sort of like rosy shade. So those are all the items. I'll gather them up and I'll show you. But it also says on the website that, as well as the invitation to go to the Clarins counter, there is an invitation for a healthy skin consultation at your local Debenhams Clinique counter, which I didn't read. So that was on there. So as well as the keepsake box, which is gorgeous, the main things you want to have are these products. So we've got 7 in all. We've got a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. We've got a Smashbox primer. We've got a Clarins hand and nail treatment. We've got an AVEDA volumizing hairspray. We've got a MURAD night cream serum. We've got Clinique hydrating jelly, and we've got a Kat Von D lipstick there. So altogether, I think there's a really great range of products here. This is a beauty discovery box. So the aim of this box is to show you some well-known, well-liked products for you to try to see if you like them, and obviously go out and buy the bigger sizes maybe if you do. But yeah, so personally, as I said at the start, I don't think this is worth £35. We've got some great products and I'm really excited. Obviously, I've got the mascara, which I love. The primer, again, I love that. This hand and nail treatment is gorgeous. Volumizing spray sounds perfect for my hair. And the MURAD as well. Like the jelly, I've still got a little bit left over, and the lipstick I'm going to give away. So we have got some really lovely products that I personally will use. So it was worth me getting that or receiving it as a lovely Mother's Day present for my husband. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you bought it yourself? Are you waiting to get it for yourself? I'd love to know all your thoughts, so please comment down below. But yeah, so as far as a £17.50 limited edition, beauty try it type box. I think it's lovely. I think it's really, really good. I hope that if this is a new thing for Debenhams, then I hope they continue and they do start to do things like this. So yeah. So anyway, I'll stop talking now because I know I'm blabbing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.